What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Thick and Meaty, back again. Did you miss me? That's what I want to know, because I missed you. You guys, I'm excited to do this review. Okay, but before I start, I just want to let y'all know I have gum in my mouth. Yes, I normally don't be doing reviews with gum in my mouth. But however, the gum still has some good pop and flavor, and I did not want to throw it away. Why would I waste a good piece of gum? That's just not what I'm going to do. So, however, y'all will see some gum in my mouth. I might chew, whatever. Y'all will be okay, okay? Now, anybody new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys joining the Thick and Meaty squad. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified. And also go ahead and share my channel out with your friends and family. Anybody returning, welcome back. Leave any comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now, I have been shopping online. And I've been shopping with my sis, Prissy P. She has it, she has shades that she sells on a website like legit, okay? She has a business she runs. That's just what she does. Now, if you guys don't know, I have my laptop here because I want to have the name of the shades that I purchased. So, the ones that I have, well, before I tell you what I have, let me just let you guys know the name of her company is Pdshades.com. That's how you can go to her website and order whatever you like, okay? Now, what I have purchased is one of these were, these are called Beverly. Let me show y'all how Beverly looks, child. Let me just let you see how she works. Now, y'all know I got a little fat face, so, I like these big glasses. I love them. What y'all think? I love them. Yes, hunty. Yes, I better work. Now, see how these look? Go on her website. These are Beverly. Beverly. I got them for $10. Now, I don't know what they're going to be in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, but these was $10 when I purchased them. Okay, now the next ones are low key. Got these for $8. Y'all know I love a good old deal now. Okay, these how these look, baby. Boom. Okay, loving it, baby, loving it. How y'all think I look? Leave comments down below and let me know which shades you like the best, because I know y'all gonna say both, baby. Okay, I got a little tint to mine. Y'all see that? Ooh, I love them. Y'all, like I said, this is Prissy P's business. Okay, this is what she do. Probably amongst other things. But like I said, pdshades.com. You can go buy you some shades online. Y'all ain't got nothing else to do. I'm just saying, y'all got some money. Okay, so go ahead over there to hit my sis up. And she has some beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm going to buy some more stuff. My mom purchased some stuff from her. Because my mom liked my glasses. She got these. And I think she had got, let me see, because I got them here. I know she said she purchased I think my mom got the Lovelies, I think. If I'm saying it right, Lovelies. And she had I think she had got both of hers in black. Because she kept trying to get mine like this, which is the Beverly's. So, I got these too. I know she said she's having some more next week come out. I'm trying to think, by the time y'all see this video, it will be the same week that she's going to be having more shades on the website. So, be ready, because I'm ready. You better be ready, because I'm ready. You better be ready. Yeah, so she has Beverly's. Well, I have them too. My mom wanted them. And she got the Lovelies. And I have Beverly's and Low Key. Now, I know she had posted something in her community post about some of the glasses that was going to be on her website come next week. And I already seen like 2 pairs that I want. And y'all need to go. She got some glasses that's called Jellies. You know what? I'm not going to say all of them. What y'all need to do is go on over to my sister's website hit her up, show some love. You know, we all have to, you know, try to, you know, help each other. It's hard out here. People got businesses, you know, want to make some money. I don't have no problem with supporting people's businesses. I buy different people's sauce. I done tried it, ate it, promoted it. I ain't getting paid for it, but I have no problem doing it. You know why? Because when I get a business, I will expect the same thing from you guys. Wouldn't you want somebody to try your stuff? Wouldn't you want somebody to promote, you know, buy your stuff and pretty much help promote you? I know you would, and I would do the same for anybody else. Y'all better go. Go on over. Y'all know y'all want to. Go ahead. I'll wait. She'll wait. Oh, let me tell y'all about the delivery hunty. I mean, I got these not even in a week. I mean, like literally, oh my gosh. When did I ordered one day, and I think I received these like 2 to 3 business days. I'm not even joking. Because I was like, 1 minute I ordered them, then the next thing you know, it said that my order was shipped. I'm like, wait a minute, I just literally ordered these not too long ago. And I had them not too long ago. I mean, it probably took like 3 to 4 days. I said 3 to 4. But it might, I think it was like 3 days I had received it. I mean, it came so fast. And, you know, and I'm all about that, baby. You know, because when you be wanting something real bad that you ordered, and then you got to wait 50 years to get them, that kills me. But these came real fast. I'm just letting y'all know. Go ahead. P, if you need somebody to be a model on your website, please come call me. You know my number, sis. I model these shades all day, every day. Don't think I won't. You need a model? Call me. Look, hold on. Call me, sis. Call me. I'll model. I'll take some pictures with these shades on. And you can put my beautiful face right up on this website of yours, okay? Don't think I won't. But yeah, y'all need to go order you some stuff. I will be making some more orders next week. Actually, I should have ordered the lovelies too, because I like those as well. I might end up getting those as well. Yeah, I'm up here all on the thing. And you know what? Let me see, because I seen her husband on here with some shades. Because they have shades to wear. The men can wear too now. Don't get it twisted. Men can wear this stuff too. Because Ray Shine is on here. I'm trying to think what shades of this called. I hope I'm saying it right. I think they call the Jacobs. I think that's what he's wearing in this picture. Y'all go to the website. Y'all got to check it out. Y'all got to check it out. Just go onto the website. Place an order. Support black businesses. Shoot. Support businesses, period. If you know what I'm saying, if you rocking with them, you need to support their business. I'm just saying. I know about people's sauce I done ate and recorded all on this channel. Y'all done seen it. Now it's my sis' turn. Okay? I'm gonna put these back on again, y'all. I'm looking too good, baby. I love me some big shades, baby. Or you could do like this, you know what I'm saying? You know how we be doing. Just throw them up like this. We just be throwing them like this. You know how we be doing. Just throwing like that. You know what I'm saying? Do like that. Or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Let me just go like this. But like, oh, let me just put these right here on my head. And then this goes good too with my hair, baby. Can't tell me ain't that. Y'all better go on over here and get you some. Tell her I sent you, okay? Tell her one and only Thick and Meaty sent you on over there. Tell her, because I'm pretty sure you already know who she is. I mean, hello. You have to know who Prissy P is. If you don't, you've been under a rock. Straight up. Like, seriously. Oh, I'm just smacking on this gummy. Oh, y'all have to excuse me. Oh, my gosh. Baby, this give me life. Yes, auntie, yes. Okay. I like this tint, too. Because, see, when I was looking on her website, I'm like, ooh, I like these big black ones that's big like this. Because I like the frames to be big. I have a fat face. So, and then I seen some other ones, and I was like, I seen these, and I was like, man, I don't want to get all black, because I already had, you know, said I was going to get these. So I'm saying, let me switch it up, because they already black the frame. Let me get a tint. So that's what I did. So I won't get too black on black. But you know what? I think the next pair that I had seen that she posted on her community tab, she sold some of them. And then another pair I think it was all black on black. But it don't matter. Because I'm going to get it anyway. You can't never have too many pairs of shades, baby. Trust me, Lisa. When I be going on my vacays, I'm going to be having my shades all the way on. Switching them up, baby. I'm telling y'all. I'm up here looking about what the next pair I'm finna order. Them Becky's look cute too. Beckers. I think they Beckers. They look cute too. I take them too, sis. Like I said, you need a model. Come holler. Come holler at your girl. So y'all, let me get out of here. But yeah, seriously, real talk. Pdshades.com. Prissy P's business shades. Go check it out. Go order. Y'all will not be disappointed. She even had a sale, what was it, a week or so ago? For $2 shades. Y'all, you know I missed it. You know I missed it. Because by the time I knew about it, it was already, every pair was sold out. So I got these ones. When she ordered, you know, I guess she had to restock or whatever. And then the price went up a little bit. But $10 ain't nothing. Some of the glasses are $10. Some of them are $8. I pay $8 for these. $10 for these. You got some for $13. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. They cute. Sturdy. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. Can't beat it. Look at it. It's sturdy and everything. Sturdy. Okay, hunty? Sturdy. Sturdy. Ain't no craziness. Sturdy. Y'all gotta go get some. P, like I said, I'm gonna say it again. You want a model? I'll model. And you can put my beautiful face on your website, child. Just let me know. Okay? I'm gonna get on out of here, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.